Well, all right. This is what's happening here. I was able to determine a few things in the past few days. I was able to determine. Okay, Dr. Jekyll, Tank 5. I just started in on Tank 5 and I gave her. It says just give her full fucking throttle. So I did. Not even like, bang! It was like, eased into it and uh, all of a sudden, pow! It just stopped. Engine stopped. Ding, stopped. And I tried to pull it a couple times, or not pull it, but started a couple times, and it didn't even, it click. It's got the push button starter thing, so it just click. And that was it. Wouldn't turn over. So I tried, turn the flywheel on it, and well, it turned about 3/4 of the way around, and then just stopped. So I finally got around to taking the engine out of Dr. Jekyll to determine what the issue was. And the issue is the connector rod is broken. So that broke off. So yeah, obviously not off of this one. As I was looking for parts for a Traxxas 3.3 nitro engine on the interweb, it was determined that the 3.3 and the 2.5 both share the connector rod part number. So this will go in to replace the broken connector rod in there. You see there's the top half, so that's supposed to be connected to the piston. Or that is connected to the piston. That little piece right there should be connected to the piston too. But anyway, so that was the problem there. Not too bad. Not spending a dime. I'm working on getting this changed over and repaired. Right now, what I'm running into is getting the connector rod off of this piston head. Look at that. It's I didn't do that, but this piston I think has seen better days. But the connector rod seems to be perfectly fine. I just need to learn how to get it out of that piston. I used the old trick to get the sleeve out of the head. Watch many of y'all do that. Putting a zip tie in there. I broke the zip tie. So I ended up, I don't know if I'm going to use this. I probably won't use this again. So anyway, I ended up using a screw to pull that out of there, pull that sleeve out of that block, and retrieve that piston out of there. So anyway, I got that piston out of there, and I'm having a problem getting this head off of there, or getting that connector rod out of there. So I'm going to go to the YouTube, and I'm going to see what y'all say about that, and work on getting that out, so that I can get old Dr. Jekyll's engine back assembled, installed, and finish that out as far as breaking it in and get it out and play. So, if you do have a suggestion on easier ways of, ways, because already it's hard, but if you have suggestions on ways of getting this connector rod out of this piston, I'm listening. I've took the spring out, so that's another thing. There was a little tiny spring there. I don't even know. Yeah, see it there. But a little tiny spring supposedly holding a pin in. Well, there's not a pin that has come out, so I'm assuming it's still in there, and I can't get it to come out to be able to remove that connecting rod. Once I do, we're in business, man. Well, okay, I'm gonna have to remove the connecting rod from there, just assemble that engine. But anyway, we'll practice on this one. If you got an idea or a recommendation on the method, get that out of there. I'm all ears. All right, so that's what's happening. Thanks for checking it out. Just checking in. All right.